Now we're headed for breakfast.
What'd you say? The lighting's bad in here, but we came to Starbucks because our hotel wanted $18 for pancakes, and there's no way I'm paying that. So Sammy and I are doing some tailgating in between the games. So yeah, it's raining here. We've been sitting in the rain all day. I actually think it rained more in Virginia. So yeah, my hair is a mess after sitting out in the rain all day. But apparently back home, there's flash flood warnings and stuff, so I guess we're safe here in New Jersey, and we're just sitting here watching SpongeBob for now. Is it sexual again?
Wait, I wasn't ready. Still, never mind, I was ready. Toot! Unless I lose!
So that was our day. We had 2 soccer games, won one, lost one. We hung out with our friends, had a good time, and really just enjoyed ourselves. So if you like this story, give it a heart, and we will see you tomorrow.